like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters.
와.
Jag blev den värsta nära på här i
이발이 그렇게 편하다네요.
Of reducing food waste, because people put the single bananas there, frozen products in supermarkets that can do things in 100 tons of something else lasts 1 year or
No, on the back side.
Oh.
vad var det? 178 000 watt. Det står så här batteri.
I have the kind of always. You want almost more power, but we don't.
Do you want? 대박 사건. 날 보고 있어. 뭐야?
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say. Just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money, but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. And no, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just bought me a new condo, and in the same year I moved back home. Guess your 20s ain't as friendly as a place where you were born. Anytime you reach for something, they claim that you need nothing to satisfy your soul, but all the good stuff's bought and sold. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about like the man trying to figure out the man who got to figure it out. See you soon is my new favorite joke. They got more options than I got hope. Breaking up is a new taking it slow. Are we friends now? Are we friends now? Are you just wrong? Are you just wrong? Are you just wrong? Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna be too much longer. They're working too hard for this shit to not pop, so we about to get it poppin' now. Quiet life of desperation, so I'ma have to live a little louder. And no, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got to figure it out.
Say it's perfect. But say it's perfect.
It's perfect. Oh my God.
We were there with the choir. So we,
Yummy kudasai.
Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things. I'd probably start with.
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. She keeps me close. In the friend zone? Yeah, but I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man, you should.
So blurry. It's so blurry. Why are you guys studying so hard?
Yeah.
Take some rest.
I'm bored.
That's why she's in KTH.
Exactly.
I believe you will be successful in studying. You already did a good job, not only for you but also to others. Remember, you're not alone. I believe in you. Then you should believe in your more. Fighting! Hoppas du får det bra i Sverige och att du trivs. Lycka till! Välkommen att hälsa på i Leksand eller Uppsala. I'm so happy and grateful that you in particular become our guide in World Choir Gaming South Korea. Crazy fun that it led you to moving to the other side of the earth. We'll see each other soon again at Autumn Bowl, Christmas concert, at the party. Oh, are you gonna invite me? She's living at her address in just 10 minutes by riding away. She said I could just come over. That's so sweet. Tack mina fina flicka för att du kom till Sverige och berikar vårt liv. I'm happy to have you in my life and I'm so thankful for you, bud. So thank you for moving to Sweden and we need you here. How does she always know what I mean? June, you have the loveliest, happy spirit and I'm so happy that you come home on Bellway. Yeah, me too. I know exactly what it feels like to be a positive person in a new country and not know what the future looks like. You are most welcome in our home. Whatever you like, and I'm so excited for us to discover life together in Sweden. No matter how it feels, you are never alone. Lots of love, hugs. Bye. In your new home and your life, always be happy. You deserve it. Why everyone is so sweet. Älskade Jean, I'm so happy to have you, to meet you. You are such a cool and amazing person that I am proud of to call you my good friend already after such a short time. Your inspiration, so brave, open-minded. It's nice to have someone who understands me. Of course, it's because you always understand me. Too many years of friendship to come in the future.